You guys, look at all what I baked. Becky the mommy.
Wow, it looks so smooth. I love this. Can you want more, mommy?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. I really do appreciate. To my new viewers and to my return subscribers, you guys are all amazing. Thank you for the love and support. And to my new viewers, I would love you to be part of this family. Okay, please hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so you don't get to miss each time I drop a new video. Now my darlings, this video, obviously from the title and from the thumbnail, it's how I meal plan for my kids on a weekly basis. Yes, I used the word my kids because my hubby is not around, so whenever he's around I do 2 weeks or 3 weeks meal plan. But for now I'm doing 1 week meal plan, especially now that it's back to school season. So guys, while I prep and cook, I would also love to share a few things that have been a debate, okay, amongst mothers, and I would love my fellow mothers here to share their opinion in the comment section. I really appreciate that. Share your opinion on what you think about what I'm about to share. Okay, I mean, it's about how a mother expresses her love towards her children, and since this video is about cooking, and also what I'm about to share is about cooking as well, so please just listen. They say a mother's love is expressed through cooking. Millions of mothers sweat it out in the kitchen every day to fill the bellies and hearts of their children, and this is taken to be a proof of their unconditional love for their children. Now, does anyone ask women in their households if they cook out of compulsion or otherwise? Do they do it as a gender obligation or because they have been conditioned to do that? This is one of the most profound way a mother can express her love to her children, which is cooking. So they say, even if she hates it. I mean, there are most women who hate cooking, okay? Does a mother who detests cooking and has enough agency to not put herself through that, I mean through the ordeal of cooking, does that mother love her kids any less? My darlings, like I said, it's been a debate. So please, what do you think? Share your opinion in the comment section. Okay, my darlings.
Mommy, thank you.
No shout, say thank you.
Thank you.
Well, as for me, to answer that question, personally, I love cooking, and there's just this joy that I feel inside of me whenever I have to cook for my kids. And I think that's because I grew up with a mom who loves cooking. My darlings, I'm the first child, the first daughter of my mother and my father. So I would always growing up, I would always sit in the kitchen with my mom whenever she is cooking. I mean, I would give anything to go back to those days when I have to sit down in the kitchen, watch my mom cook, and assist her in the ways that I could. But then I can't have those days back again. I mean, I'm growing up now and I have my own family. I'm raising my own kids and I'm trying to implement the same thing in them. I try to have them in the kitchen for the days when I have enough energy to tolerate their disturbance. Yeah, I allow them stay in the kitchen with me. We create those beautiful memories of which they also will remember when they grow up. So guys, I'm done with my 1 week back to school but cooking. Here is stew. I'll be using this stew to make jollof rice and I think jollof spaghetti. Those are the major foods I have on the timetable, or rather on the food menu for this week for them as their lunch to school. So yeah, this is beans. I cooked it very soft, reason because I intend using it to make beans porridge for them. And this is fried chicken, which I'll be adding for them in their food. Okay, meanwhile guys, before I add the chicken, I usually stir it in a stew to make it more tasty and look more attractive and enticing. So my darlings, I'm tired and I'm done. I won't be able to bake the snacks today. I'll do that tomorrow. Thank God tomorrow is Monday and it's public holiday. That's 1st of May. So yeah, you guys, yesterday I was so tired I couldn't do a proper intro. Like, I woke up with serious tiredness, but I just had to manage to cook that soup and the stew and the beans because that's what is really going to help me for this week. Yeah, this is in case I didn't mention this earlier on, this is the 2nd week of back to school. Today is 1st of May. Yesterday was 30th of April. Okay, so today I'm going to be baking meat pie and banana muffin or banana bread muffin, yeah, for my kids. So my darlings, I've always loved baking. Like, I love baking. In most of my vlogs you would always see me chipping baking. In one of my vlogmas video, we baked Christmas cake. So guys, I'll drop the links to any baking related videos, okay, in the description box. So in case you would like to watch those videos as well, please go ahead and watch them after watching this one, of course. Okay, so my baking skills actually self-taught, and this started in 2020, which was the lockdown period. Okay, then my first daughter was barely 2 years. I mean, she's July born, okay, and the lockdown started in February. So I've always had it, like, I had it in my head that, okay, I want to learn how to bake. So once my kids start going to school, I'll be baking their snacks for them. I mean, I always posted these things via my Instagram stories. I mean, then I've not even thought about YouTubing. So I'll just probably look for the video of when all the bakings I did in 2020 till date. I'll probably look for 1 or 2 and put the video either here or here, so you guys will see that this baking thing, this baking snack, not be today's start. Okay, it's something that I've always loved doing, and in most of my vlogs you will even see me baking either muffin or cake or meat pie for my kids, or even banana bread. Okay my darlings, yeah, with all of that being said, so please my darlings, relax and watch this video to the very end. Watch Becky the mommy bake snacks for her kids. Okay, I am that intentional mommy. Keep watching. So guys, these are the basic ingredients that I used for the chicken pie: Irish potato, carrots, green beans. I also used chicken breasts. I mean, it's chicken pie. Okay, so these are eggs that I use both for the muffin and for the pie. This is the pan. You can see banana there. These are the flavors I used for the muffin. My darlings, meet the bakers. This is our baker. Baker Sarima, can you say hi?
Hi.
Baker Arabella, can you say hi?
Say hi. Hi.
Okay, so let's start.
Baking, mommy. Let's start baking.
very smooth now. Okay, so all I have to do is roll it. No.
Wow, it looks so smooth. I love this.
Okay.
Can you mommy? It looks like a pizza dough.
Looks like a pizza dough. This is the filler. Okay.
It's my shape.
Okay guys, so now I'm going to put the muffin into the oven to bake. Meanwhile, this is the one that I had to put in here. Okay, and then this is the meat pie. It's still baking. Okay, so guys, let me show you guys the back of this meat pie. It is perfectly cooked. Look at that. Look at that. This is not burnt. Perfectly cooked. Perfectly cooked. Oh my god. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. Oh no, 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 no. I'm so proud of myself. I am proud of myself. I am proud of myself. Let's check the muffin. See? Perfect. Ah, so moist, like goody, so moist. Oh, Becky, see, so moist. Ow, it's hot. You guys, I'm actually supposed to let this thing cool off so that I will have a perfect peel. But I just want to show you guys that it's not burnt. It's perfect. Oh, what I baked. Becky the mommy. Becky the mommy. Becky the mommy. Legodi. Legodi. So guys, I'm going to let all of this cool off, okay, for a while before I pack them in the Ziploc and put them in the fridge, okay? And then later on, we will juice. But for now, my darlings, I am tired. Like, I can't even show you guys my face right now. I'm sweating. I'm sweating. I've taken off my wig. I'm sweating. I just need to go and take my bath, and then I'll come back to juice against tomorrow. I can't juice in the morning, so I always juice in the night against the next day. Well, my darlings, what a day. What a busy cooking day. Okay, so I just want to juice for them because I'll be packing the juice. The juice will go alongside with the snacks, while I'll also pack the main food for their lunch. Guys, it's not so bright in here because I mean it's evening. This is like 6:30 already, and my ring light got bad, so it's not functioning again. So that's why it's a bit dark in here. Okay, it's evening already. So like as I was saying, this is pineapple, and over here I have watermelon. I have watermelon here, so I'm going to be using these two fruits to juice for them. Good girl. Tell me, stop shaking.
Is strawberry type juice.
Yes.
Wow.
I better put that point into a cup for you.
But I know what's more. Can you make more?
I should make more.
Yes. Can I have more pineapple?
I'm coming. it. Hold on, baby.
Kiss
Hold
me.
on.
Okay. Yum, yum, yummy. So yummy. Let me try. Yummy. How do it taste?
Yeah, enjoy. Baby, you don't like it?
I like it.
Okay.
Yummy, delicious, awesome.
So I'm going to put this in the fridge now. Okay, so it will be cool and fresh by the time you take it to school tomorrow.
So refreshing.
Right?
Yeah.
So we're ready for tomorrow.